Hello and welcome to Celoxis. In this video, we will quickly cover how to assign a dashboard to your users. Once the dashboards are created, you can assign them to users and clients. Let's see this in action. Navigate to User Report. Edit a user. Under the Basic tab, scroll to the Dashboard section. Click on the plus icon and select a dashboard. You can also assign multiple dashboards and reorder them. Click on Save. From the Dashboard menu, we can see the new recently added dashboard. The first dashboard on the list is the default dashboard for this user. You can also bulk assign dashboards to multiple users. Navigate to the Users report. Let's pick some users and assign them the dashboard similar to Andrew. Click on Edit. Edit. Select Dashboard Like. From this drop-down, select Andrew. Save. Once you do this, these selected will have a similar list of dashboards like Andrew. In the same manner, you can do this for clients. This was about assigning dashboards. Thank you for watching.